Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java deeply. First, begin by understanding the fundamental concepts of Java, such as variables, data types, and control flow statements. It is crucial to practice writing many simple programs to truly grasp the basic syntax. Make sure your development environment is properly set up, including the Java Development Kit and an integrated development environment, which will greatly assist your learning process. Next, dive deep into object-oriented programming, or OOP. Master its 4 fundamental pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These principles are vital for writing clean, maintainable, and scalable code. Learn to design classes and objects effectively, modeling real-world entities with precision. Implementing interfaces and abstract classes will further enhance your ability to create flexible and extensible Java applications. Once you have a solid grasp of OOP, it is time to explore more advanced Java topics. Delve into collections, generics, and exception handling to build robust and error-free applications. Understand multithreading and concurrency to create highly efficient programs that can perform multiple tasks simultaneously. Remember to work on small projects consistently, dedicating at least 1 hour daily to hands-on coding practice. Finally, continuous learning and community engagement are key to becoming a proficient Java developer. Actively participate in the Java community through online forums, local meetups, and open-source contributions. Make it a habit to regularly read official documentation and explore new features of the Java platform. Building a diverse portfolio of projects will effectively showcase your growing skills and deep knowledge to others.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.